Rainbow, pretty colors in the skies, sunshine falling on my shoulder, not a worry in my eye. Walking along a sandy shoreline, I see you in the distance, hoping you will be mine.
Aloha folks, aloha kakahiaka, it means good morning. It's a beautiful morning here in Laie Bay, my hometown. I live up there on the point, and I'm doing better, guys. Thanks for all the comments and well wishes. I am 2 months away from getting back on a trike and a surfboard. Surgery went fairly well. I still have problems with numbness in my fingers. I can't make a fist more than that. So the doc thinks not only did I have problems with my spine, but I have carpal tunnel. Small operation, should be okay. So I keep walking every day. That's about the only exercise I can do. I can't lift over 5 pounds last week, and I think I'm up to 15 pounds this week. So I walk every day, and I thought I need a way to start off this new year the right way, and I want to do it in a positive manner. I don't feel sorry for myself with my ailment that I have, and I've had a great life. I want to keep going, so I push through it, and all will be good. But today I want to talk a little bit about that positive vibe and my good friend. Oh, wait a minute. Look up ahead of us there. I'm sorry, but this rainbow just jumped out at me, so I thought I'd let you guys take a look at it. I hope you can see it. Anyway, with that positive attitude, I want to talk a little bit about a friend of mine, David from David Rides a Trike. And we learned last week that David has another hill to climb. This guy has had major organ transplants, diabetes, cancer, kidney function problems, lost some sight in his eye, and he's fought back. Well, we learned that he now has cancer in his lungs, in his kidney, in other areas. And my first reaction when I heard this is I went into a major funk. I said, how could this happen to this guy? He's such a trooper, such a great guy. And I commented to him on his YouTube channel and went kind of back and forth. And then I said, wait a minute. Here's a guy who's getting himself psyched up to fight this. And why am I sitting around here feeling all mopey? And I'm hoping that I can be more than just some guy who feels sorry for him, because I know he doesn't. And so, David, I want to be one of those spirits that hangs around, looking over your shoulder, giving you as much strength as we possibly can. And it's important that you know that I'm there to offer my support the best I can. And David's got a great theory in life. He says there's always somebody worse off than you. And oh my gosh, that's so true. And so I can't go around moping about myself. Or idea is to be positive, move forward, do the best we can, and live each day as if it's our last. I told David that my goal every day is to wake up and then do something that day. Usually something physical. It could even be yard work, but get out and do something. Yeah, I guess. So, with that rainbow fading over there, so this is my ride today. No, I'm not on the trike. It's back home, resting, getting ready for chaos once 2 months goes by and I get back on the trail. So I hope you guys are doing well, and we start off our new year, as we say in the islands, Haole Makahiki Ho, Happy New Year. Be healthy, be safe, be happy. I'll see you on the next episode, whenever that's going to be. You guys be good. Take care. Aloha.
And I'll hold you tight as the trade winds blow. And in the moonlight, I'll never let you go. Aloha, welcome to my islands. I want to share my paradise. Won't you walk along with me? Aloha, welcome to my island. I'd like to share my paradise. Won't you walk along with me? Won't you walk along with me?